Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage and change categories on your Upwork profile. This is really important because the categories you choose directly affect what jobs Upwork will recommend to you, so keeping them updated ensures you're getting the most relevant opportunities. First, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you can access all the important configuration options for your Upwork account. Once you're in Account Settings, turn your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Profile Settings to continue. This section contains all the details about your professional profile, including your work history, skills, and the categories that define what type of work you're looking for. Now you'll need to find the Categories section. It should be visible as you navigate through the page, so take a moment to locate it. Right beside the word Categories, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to begin editing your categories. At this point, you have full control over which categories appear on your profile. If you want to remove any existing categories that no longer fit your work focus, simply click the X button beside each one. This helps streamline your profile and ensures you're only associated with the areas you're actively pursuing. If you want to add new categories, you'll see several options displayed in a list. Click on any category that interests you to view it more clearly. To select a category, check the box beside it. Keep in mind that Upwork allows you to select up to 10 categories, so choose wisely based on the type of work you want to attract. The more relevant your categories, the better your chances of being matched with the right clients. Once you've finished adding or removing categories and you're satisfied with your selections, click the Save button to apply all your changes. Your profile will now reflect these updates, and Upwork will start showing you job opportunities that align with your newly configured categories. And that's it. You've successfully managed and updated the categories on your Upwork profile, making it easier for clients to find you for the right projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.